What in the world is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Mike, living with 3M. Got the wife's car, the Lexus RX 350 in the background. You might ask, what in the world are you doing working on that high-end Toyota? Well, I got a pretty good answer, because when you guys take your car in to have your oil changed, any kind of service done on any make, go back after these guys do stuff to your car. Make sure they put panels back, they put things back in order the way it was on there before you drove in. I'm just saying, guys, I'm telling you, because we popped the hood and looked under there, and I could not believe one of the plastic engine pieces, the panels, the cover panels, didn't have any pins in it. I mean, it was just laying there and could have actually got down in the motor. I'll show you what I'm talking about. So we're gonna pop our hood, and as I always do after anybody changes oil or they work on anything under the hood, I check. I just come back in here and I check. I look around. Could not believe it, guys. Could not believe it. I just look and I'm like, what in the world? What's going on? Check this out. It's like, all right, there's about, let's count these at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 push pins, and I've actually got 2. So they just figured they would put 2 back. We wouldn't never notice. I just called the parts department at the local Lexus dealership, and they want $13.80 for each one of these clips. I mean, heck with that. I'm not dealing with dealers. No. No wonder they call them stealerships. Let's call Advanced Auto. I can't believe that you want to know if I have a 6-cylinder or a 4-cylinder, or yeah. Oh, it's 2-wheel drive. Yeah, it's 2-wheel drive. On Amazon, I ordered a set. I'll show you guys right here. I don't know if it'll focus. Right there. And that's for my year Lexus. And I'll put a link down in the description below. And these are brand new push pins. These pins come with a washer-like base made out of plastic with like a nipple that protrudes on the back, goes down in the hole. Then you have a push pin that goes down inside that, and it spreads the nipple out, and that's what holds everything together. You can order a specific push pin for your car for the pin that's missing, or you can order an assortment of different push pins and keep them for use in the future. So this is what I'm saying. Don't ever trust any shop, no matter how reputable they are, because people forget stuff all the time. Mechanics mess up. So I don't even know what they were doing in that area, because that has nothing to do with the oil. So I'm gonna do a little more investigating on what they done while they were under the hood. But as you should too, do not let these fly-by-night shops change oil. Check, put on your oil filter, put your date and your name on your oil filter. That way when they go to change your filter, you can look back up under there and say, hey, wait a minute, still same filter, or they did in fact change it. You know, just preventative measures. Now, when I say don't trust the shop, I mean, if you really didn't trust a shop, you wouldn't take it there in the first place. But walk around your vehicle like I'm doing right here. Look inside, make sure you don't have valuables left inside. Also, spot any kind of damage that you've already have, that you know that if they park it in a parking lot or they bump into it, damage or just neglect, you never know. So always make a video or a note. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for the video of do not trust these shops, regardless if it's a fly-by-night shop or a very reputable shop. Don't just trust your vehicle that you give a lot of money for. I've had some people ask me where Bobby Bones is at, and Bobby's on vacation. He'll be back in the next video probably, giving me a hard time, messing with me while I'm trying to work on the Raptor. So y'all stay tuned. Later.